Good morning children, welcome back. Today our chapter Fields and Fences. In this our today's topic is area of a square. In previous video we have already learned area of a rectangle and its formula. How to find area of rectangle using the formula L into B, or we can say length into breadth. But in case of a square, you know that in a square all the sides are equal. That means length is also S and side is also S. Length and breadth are same. So we can replace length by side and breadth can also be replaced by side. So if I write the area of a square, formula for area of a square, I will write side in place of length and also side in place of breadth also. So that means S into S, side into side. So side into side, S into S. Okay children? So the formula for finding area of a square will be side into side. That means whatever the given quantity is there, whatever given length is there, that is to be multiplied by itself. Let's see by solving an example. Okay, our first example here is side of a square is 16 centimeter. So let's draw the square first. The square and its side is 16 centimeter. On any side you can write it because in a square all the sides are equal. Let's write the formula. The formula is S into S. So what's S here? What's side here? Side is 16 centimeter. So we will multiply 16 by 16. Got it? So you can multiply 16 multiplied by 16 by column method of multiplication. Let's do it. 6 6 are 36. 3 is carried over. And 6 1s are 6 plus 3 is 9. We'll put a 0 here. Now 1 6 are 6 and 1 1s are 1. If we add it, we get 6, 5 and 2. So that's our answer here. So the area of a square having side 16 centimeter is 256 square centimeter. Let's solve our next example. In this we are having side 22 meter. Let's draw the square. (22 meter) is the side of the square. We'll write the formula. Area is equal to S into S, and in place of S into S we write 22 multiplied by 22 centimeter, meter multiplied by 22 meter. Okay children? Now we will multiply 22 by 22. Let's do it by column method. 2 4s are 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Here you put 0 or cross, whatever you are comfortable with. Again 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, and we have here 484 as our answer. So the area of the square having side of 22 meter will be 484 square centimeter. Now square meter, Now we move to our next example. the side of our next square is 40 meter. So again let's draw the square. Again I would like to repeat, you are not drawing to scale, just a square and write the side here beside the square. Again we will write the formula. Area of a square is side multiplied by side. Here our side is 40 meter. So let's write 40 meter multiplied by 40 meter. We can solve this verbally also. So 4 4s are 16 and 2 zeros will follow. So 1600, or we can say 1600 is our answer in square meter. And children, again I will like to repeat that if you don't know how to do verbally, you can multiply also. Okay children? So that's our answer. I feel you understood how to solve examples or problems in which you are asked area of a square and the side of the square is given. Thank you so much.